Our intention is to test a Boolean valued expression, like to check if a given employee can receive bonus, or if a room is available in a hotel, or for example, gender of the newborn baby. Then we can use the out-of-the-box function called predicate given by Java 8 library. We could use the predicate to check the Boolean value expressions. Predicate is a functional interface provided by the Java 8 functions library whose sole aim is to evaluate a condition and return true or false to the client. So how does a predicate interface look? Let's see the definition of the predicate interface in the first place. I'm just going to cut and paste the predicate functional interface definition. As you can see, predicate takes in an object of type T, and it has got one single abstract method called test, which returns a Boolean expression. There are other methods on this interface as well, such as AND, OR, and the last one is negate. We are going to see these methods in the later session. As you can see, this is a functional interface and there is only one abstract method available on this predicate. This is a predicate available in java.util.function package, which has been created newly for the set of functions which are going to be used across Java libraries. We simply use the predicate in the java.util.function package. The test method evaluates the given arguments and returns a true or false as the evaluation result. So let's see the usage of the predicate in action. Suppose we need to check if an employee is eligible for a bonus package. How do we do it? We are checking a predicate, a Boolean valued expression, right? This is a good candidate for using predicate. Remember, predicate function is used to evaluate any Boolean valued expression. So given an employee object, we check his or her ratings and return a true or false value based upon the ratings criteria. The logic is not important here, but understanding the usage of predicate is our main goal. So we create a lambda expression for this condition to check if the candidate is eligible for bonus. The way to create the lambda expression is simply using your predicate on the left-hand side. So this is your predicate, which takes in an employee object. Make sure that you import the predicate from java.util.function package. On the right-hand side, provide a lambda. So in this case, given an employee, check his ratings. If the ratings are greater than 10, for example, that means he is eligible for bonus. So simply return true, or he is not eligible for bonus, so false. As you can see, we are using a library function called predicate to set our lambda expression. We can create a number of predicates using similar kind of functionality. For example, we want to create an executive lambda, a lambda expression for finding out if the employee is an executive or not. So the executive lambda is saying that if the employee ID begins with E99, for example, then this guy is an executive, or else is a normal employee. Following the same principle, we could use the same predicate for a number of situations. For example, let's create a lambda expression for an empty string expression. This lambda will return us true or false based upon if the string is empty or not. The takeaway point is that we can use predicate function provided in the library instead of creating our own functions. This is a really handy predicate functionality useful for us.